Say goodbye to chlorine in your pool forever. Introducing the Aquanator. Just by installing the Aquanator, you will never need to purchase chlorine or pool shock again. It's easy to install and keeps your water crystal clear all season long by removing 99.9% of all impurities in your swimming pool. Once connected to the Aquanator, it constantly cleans the water with no chemicals. You just sit back and enjoy your pool. Imagine the time and money you'll save if you never need to purchase chemicals again. The Aquanator is safe and environmentally friendly. Chlorine prices will remain high in the United States through 2023, so don't go through another headache-filled season of chlorine shortages and high prices again. Start enjoying your pool right away. Visit us at clean-watersolutions.com to get your Aquanator today.